Hello everybody, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to Hu's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you guys something super delicious, super healthy, and you can have if you are on a diet. So I call this recipe the low-calorie healthy rolls. It's actually super easy, super simple to make. You don't need to cook anything at all. All you need is some fresh ingredients and the Vietnamese rice paper. So for ingredient wise, I got a few things here. They are all my favorite ingredients. So for example, I got a mango, carrot, some plum tomatoes, some cooked prawn, basically it's cooked and peeled already, some red cabbage, and some really cute baby cucumbers, some radish, and some baby peppers. That's literally all the ingredients I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna quickly prepare them, chop them, and show you what we are going to do next. So after about 3 minutes, all of my ingredients are prepared. So your core ingredients which go inside of the rolls will be the mango, carrot, cucumber, and the red cabbage. So basically I chop them to strips. And then you can choose whatever ingredients you want to use to decorate it. Now I'm going to show you what we are going to do next. So basically, I got a bowl of water here. So I'm gonna pick one piece of the rice paper and pop it in the water for about 5 seconds. Let's get it out straight away. Just like that. And then I'm gonna place it on my plate. So I'm going to put the core ingredients on my rice paper first. So for example, I'm going to put some carrot slices, some cucumber slices, some red cabbage, and some mango. And then we are going to start from the bottom. So we are going to basically seal everything in, like this. Then we're going to put the next ingredients on it. So for example, for these ones, I'm going to put some mango stars on it. Like that. Then we are going to seal the side first, then finish off. Yeah, that's one row done. I'm gonna quickly make a few now. Right, I just quickly made all of my rolls, as you can see on this camera here. They look extremely pretty and honestly so delicious as well. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make the dipping sauce. So I got a glass bowl here. And I got 2 black-eyed chili and 1 lime. So for the sauce, first of all, we are going to put in 1 tablespoon of sweetener. So the one I'm using here is granulated sweetener. Then we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese white wine vinegar, then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, last but not least, 1 tablespoon of water. So I'm gonna quickly give my sauce a stir. Now I'm gonna quickly chop the chili and put some lime slice in as well. Here is my homemade, low-calorie, healthy rolls. Now, it's the most important part and my most favorite part. Eat my food. I'm gonna pick my most favorite one, the mango style one. So cute. Right, I'm gonna dip in my signature dipping sauce and give it a try. Mmm! Mmm! It's so good. Oh my god. So good. Honestly, they are so delicious. I can't stop eating them. So I'm gonna quickly finish and then go back to my food. Right. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to know what's going on next week, tap the bell. If any of your friends and the family is on a diet, remember, share this video with them. I will see you all next week. Bye!